The Cadillac Optiq has an intuitive charging app on the infotainment screen that you can use to manage all aspects of your vehicle's charging. Touch the charging icon on the infotainment screen to open the charging app. You can select between 4 icons on the left bar: Charge Cord, My Cadillac Account, Create Manage Schedule, and Settings. The Charge Cord icon offers Charge Now and Charge Later options. With both options, the target charge level can be set on the screen. Selecting Charge Later also allows you to select the option to precondition the cabin to desired temperature upon charging completion. My Cadillac Account will navigate you to your My Account, where you can watch helpful how-to videos and feature descriptions. Create Manage Schedule will allow you to set up personalized home charging schedules, which is useful to align your charging times to any off-peak or special electric rates that may be available in your area. Settings will offer vehicle preferences to be set, such as preconditioning temperature and home location setting. In this menu, you can also manually enable DC fast charging prep if you're heading to a fast charge location and haven't already set the station as a destination with the embedded Google Maps via Google built-in compatibility, which would have automatically initiated battery reconditioning. Fast Charge Prep preconditions the battery prior to arrival at a DC fast charger and will reduce charging times at the station. See your vehicle's owner's manual for the range of charging app features available to you.